Example 3. 1 gram of monobasic acid when dissolved in 100 grams of water lowers the freezing point by 1.168 Celsius. zero point 0.2 grams of same acid when dissolved and titrated requires 15.1 cc of 0.1 normal alkali. Calculate dissociation constant of the acid. Dissociation constant of the acid. Kf is given to us. So, we are asking dissociation constant Ka. So, we know that Ka is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. So, that implies we have to calculate the value of alpha. And we know that alpha is equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. Means we require value of I now. And I can be found out from the formula K delta Tf is equal to I into Kf into molality. So we require value of molality now. And molality requires molecular mass of solute, which is not given. If you see the question, they are given as mass of solute is there, mass of solvent is there, and then delta Tf is there. But they are not given the molecular mass of solute. So unless we know the molecular mass of solute, we cannot apply this formula. So that molecular mass of solute can be found out applying law of equivalence, because they are given that 0.2 grams of the same acid when dissolved and titrated, it requires 15.1 cc and 0.1 normal of the alkali. So applying law of equivalence, we have to find out the molecular mass of solute. Using the molecular mass of solute, we have to find out the value of phi. Using the value of phi, we have to find out the alpha value. And finally, using the alpha value, we have to find out the Ka value. So let us see the steps one by one. So first of all, we are applying law of equivalence now. So applying law of equivalence means here number of equivalents of acid. So number of equivalents. Number of equivalents of acid is equal to number of equivalents of alkali. Number of equivalents of alkali. Now in the acid, they are given as mass of the acid there now. So mass is given to us as 0.2. So 0.2 by equivalent mass. So mass by equivalent mass gives number of equivalents only. And then they are given volume. So 15.1 into 0.1 normal by 1000. This gives us number of equivalents of alkali there now. So simplifying this, you will be getting the value of E as 132.4. Is the equivalent mass of the acid. Equivalent mass of the acid and molecular mass both are same because it is monobasic acid. So molar mass is also equal to 132.4 only because it is monobasic acid. Both equivalent mass and molecular mass remain same. So now we found out the molecular mass of the compound. Now we need to find out the I value. So for that, delta Tf is equal to I into Kf into molality. So delta Tf is given 0.168 is equal to value of I. We have to find out I into Kf is also given 1.86. Now molality. So mass is given as 1 gram by 132.4, which is the molecular mass of the compound, into 1000 by 100. This is a molality. So therefore, simplifying this, finally you are going to get the value of I as 1.195. So Van 't Hoff factor is equal to 1.195. So once you know the I value, we can find out the value of alpha then now. Now alpha is equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1 we have. So which is equal to, so 1.195 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 here now. Why you have taken value of N as 2? N is equal to 2 because it is monobasic acid. So we have two ions altogether in monobasic acid. So this value comes to the then 0.195. We can take it as nearly 2.2 now. So alpha value is equal to 0.2 means 20% dissociates now. So knowing the value of alpha, we can find out the value of Ka. Because Ka is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Here alpha value is found to be 0.2. 0.2 means 20% now. When value is 20%, we can't ignore the value of 1 minus alpha. So 1 minus alpha should be considered here now. So now Ka is equal to, value of C means actually molarity. For a very dilute solution, we can take molarity as molality itself. So same thing we are using here now. So mass of solute, so 1 by 132.4 into 1000 by 100. So this part can be taken as concentration into alpha square is 0.2. So 0.2 the whole square by 1 minus alpha. So 1 minus 0.2 here now. So everything on simplification, the value comes to 0.0037. So 0.0037. That is a dissociation constant value. So this is the answer for us.